Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up or set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the alarm icon, the one that looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can add a new alarm by tapping on the plus button. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. You can swipe up and down on the minutes and the hours. Oh, my bad. It was a bit wonky. As you can see, it's a bit laggy. But once you set the time, you can tap on the check mark. And the alarm should appear right here. You can turn it on or off. You can tap on it to customize it. We can change the time again. We can also change the repeat option, so how often it should repeat. And one time, basically, it means that it will go off one time and it won't repeat, but you can also select specific days. For example, if you select Sunday and Tuesday, the alarm will go off every Sunday and Tuesday. Like this. Another thing you can do is to turn on or off the vibration and the sound. And if you want to remove the alarm, you can tap on the bin icon to remove it. You can also have multiple alarms set up if you want to. Like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.